In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whiteboard in Confluence with Draw.io. Let's start right inside Confluence. Open your workspace and create a new page. You can give it a clear title, choose the appropriate space or parent page, and keep the body empty for now. This page will host your whiteboard so your team can collaborate without leaving Confluence. With the page editor open, use the quick insert command by typing a / then type draw. You'll see options appear. Select the one that says Insert a Draw.io board. This places a whiteboard canvas directly on your page, ready to edit. If the macro takes a moment to load, just wait for the editor to open before you begin sketching. You'll now see the Draw.io whiteboard interface. It's a simplified canvas made for fast visual thinking. On the left, there's a panel of shapes you can drag and drop onto the canvas. Start with sticky notes, rectangles, or simple icons to block out your ideas. To add text, just double-click anywhere on the canvas or on a shape. A cursor appears so you can type immediately. If you prefer sketching, pick the brush tool to draw freehand for quick annotations or hand-drawn arrows. To connect ideas, use connectors to link shapes. They snap neatly to shape edges and stay attached as you move things around. When you're ready to refine, customize styles and colors, you can go for a rough hand-drawn feel for brainstorming or switch to clean lines and consistent colors for a polished diagram. Use zoom controls to focus on details or zoom out to see the big picture, and don't forget you can undo and redo as you iterate. When your whiteboard looks good, save the diagram inside the draw. Then save or publish the Confluence page. Once the page is saved, your teammates can view and edit the whiteboard in real time right on the page, subject to your space permissions. You'll see their changes as they happen, which is great for planning sessions, retrospectives, or quick flowcharts. If you're facilitating, consider naming sections on the board or grouping shapes so the conversation stays organized. You can always return later to refine styles or expand the diagram as the project evolves. And that's it. You created a new Confluence page, inserted a Draw.io board, sketched ideas with shapes, text, freehand drawing, and connectors, customized the look, and enabled real-time collaboration. Give it a try on your next brainstorming session and keep everything in one place for your team.